Here's a fun way to get your vegetables, Veggie Tots. I'm gonna show you how to make this with some frozen carrots, cauliflower, and broccoli. I made them today in the brownie bite pan. You can make them in the donut pan. You can even make them in the air fryer. Our Veggie Tots today are made with these frozen vegetables. You're gonna go ahead and steam them in the microwave. I use the 2.5 quart or the 2-quart micro cooker. You can do them right in the bag, whatever you wanna do. Once they're cooked, you're just gonna add them to a colander in the sink. Let them sit for about 10 minutes so they'll cool. And then I just took some paper towel. I didn't squeeze the vegetables. I just sort of stirred it up just to absorb any extra moisture. And now we're ready to put our tots together. We love tots at our house. I bet you all do too. And it's great when you can make them when they have veggies a little bit on the healthier side. So we need to get these chopped up really fine in the twist and chop. You should be able to fit most of this. I think I can get it all in there. The recipe calls for a 10-ounce bag. Mine's like 12 ounces, so it is a little bit more, but a little extra veggie is all right. For this, because they're sort of soft, you want to just pulse about 5 or 6 times. Obviously, I need to count. I could see they weren't quite ready. So do you see that texture? I think I'll go a couple more. And I suppose your pulses, depends how long you hold your thumb down for. This is exactly what we're after. In my batter bowl, I already have panko breadcrumbs. I am using gluten-free breadcrumbs today, so if you need to cook gluten-free, you can use either. I have some grated Parmesan cheese, seasoning salt, and an egg. I'm actually gonna mix this up to break up that egg before I add my vegetables. You don't have to do that. I just think it's a little bit easier to blend. All right, go ahead and dump it in. So who at your house likes tots? Is it you or is it your kids, grandkids? You can't go wrong, they're just fun. You want tablespoon sized portions. If you have our small scoop that we don't carry anymore, you can use that. I'm gonna use the tablespoon measure, and I'm just gonna take the little slider off, and now I can use this, kind of mash it against the bowl, and that's gonna give me the portion that I want. I'm gonna bake these in the brownie bite pan today. You can do them in the air fryer if you want to. I just think this is gonna be a lot faster because they will hold together super, super well. So take your portion and just add it to the well. They'll take about 16 to 18 minutes to bake. We'll flip them after about 10 minutes so we can make sure the other side gets browned. Once you've got them all in there, you can take either your fingers or the mini mix and scraper and gently press them down to pack them. That way they'll hold together a little bit better. And take your oil spritzer and lightly spritz over the top. This will help them brown and get crispy. We'll bake 400 degrees, 10 minutes, flip them, another 6 to 8 minutes until they're done. It's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna use my cake tester. This side here is silicone. It won't scratch your pan, and it's the perfect thing to turn these over. So just gently flip them, and that'll ensure that all sides get nice and crispy the way we like our tots. They are all done, and look at this. They are crispy on both sides. If you love the idea of having homemade tots where you know all the ingredients and they're healthy-ish, these will be perfect for you.